This is the first week of season 11. I can't believe it has been 11 seasons. It's crazy to me, but like they say, if you work hard and you make risky investments, you can never retire. You know, part of what I love about this show is that I get to talk to amazing people. Like one of my guests today, her name is Diana Nyad. She's 64. She just became the first person to swim from Cuba to Florida without a shark cage. Amazing. That's incredible. 64. She swam 110 miles in 2 days. And just to put that in perspective for you, to drive 110 miles in Los Angeles would take 6 days. So, I always say that age is just a number. You shouldn't, it really should not define who you are. And another one of my guests today, Simon Cowell, he's 53 years old, and he stays young by wearing child-sized T-shirts. So good for him. I like that. I think it's important to do things that make you feel young, but I feel that I'm looking forward, actually, to aging. I want to get older because there's, for example, there's things to look forward to, like applesauce. You can eat it literally whenever you want when you're old. Here's something else I'm looking forward to. I was watching TV the other night, and I saw this infomercial.
Sit, relax, ride with an Acorn Stairlift, the world's leader in stairlifts. That's right. Don't let limited mobility keep you from going up and down your stairs. Even outside, the Acorn Stairlift has a padded seat and backrest for maximum comfort. And it even runs during power outages.
And I'm the king of my own castle again.
For your free, no obligation information, call now.
See how happy they were? They were happy. They weren't eating applesauce, just happy. And don't get me wrong, I think it's fantastic we have technology for people who need it. I don't understand, though, why we have to wait until we're older to enjoy things like that. So, look what I got right here. Let's take this bad boy for a ride. Eat your heart out, Diana Nyad. Hi. Have I gone 4 steps yet at all? No? By the time I get up there, I'll need one of these. I will be that old. Can you imagine getting to the top and realize you forgot your reading glasses? Oh, no. I've got to go back down. Oh, I can't. Oh, yes, I can. No, I don't want to go. I'm going to go this way. I had momentum. Come on, Acorn. There we go. All right. It's a pretty blouse. Nice color on you. It's like coral or something, isn't it? Should wear that more often. Hi, how are you? This is really great. I'd like to thank my guests, Simon Cowell, Diana Nyad. Be kind to one another, everybody. I actually think they sped it up on television. I feel like the queen of my castle, though. I really do. Oh. They should put one of these in at Universal. This is really, really fun. Well, now that I'm almost at the top, Olivia, I think you should make me dance.